Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, I'm gonna be showing you how to set Google Calendar out of Office. To set Google Calendar out of Office, you can do the following. First, open Google Calendar on your computer, click the Create button in the top left corner. From the options, select Out of Office. Now choose your start and end date. If you'll be away all day, turn on the All Day option. You can also give the event a title, such as Vacation, Annual Leave, or simply Out of Office. Next, enable Automatically Decline Meetings. Google Calendar can decline both existing and new meeting invitations while you're away. You can even add a custom message like, "I'm currently out of the office and will reply when I return." Once everything looks good, click Save. That's it. Google Calendar will handle your meeting invitations automatically. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.